What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how much exactly in pounds and pence I earn from my YouTube channel. How much is this YouTube channel actually generating me in terms of actual money? Now I could just talk about it. I could maybe, go ahead and use my phone to kind of show you a few things, but I think it would be best to actually go over to my computer and just show you on my actual YouTube channel how much I earn exactly. Okay then, so I'll see you guys over at the computer. Testing, 1, 2, 3. What is going on, guys? So we are at the computer now, and today we are going to find out how much I am earning in terms of money, in terms of pounds, each month from my YouTube channel, the YouTube channel that you're watching on right now. And it's actually the first time making one of these screen recording videos, and it's the first time using this very fancy microphone that I've owned for about 3 years now, which I've never used. So yeah, please let me know what you think of these types of videos, and let me know what you think of the audio quality as well. Now I do apologize if you can hear the fan noise in the background, but I'm just in my bedroom at the moment sweating. So yeah, we are in the middle of summer, so I hope you guys can appreciate that. But without further ado, we are going to get on with the video. So we are going to load up Google Chrome. I'm going to head over to YouTube, obviously, and we are going to head over to Creator Studio. What happened there? And if you have a YouTube channel, you have a YouTube account, you should be able to see all this information yourself. Whether or not you have videos or not, that's a different matter. But little insight: total views 1.8 million views, subscribers 4.1 thousand now. Thank you very much. Well on our way to hitting the 5,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year, and the 2 million view goal by the end of the year. And yeah, so without further ado, let's head over to analytics. And this is so annoying, like it keeps trying to get me to go over to the new analytics, which I really just do not like. I just prefer the classic look. It's so much simpler and just easier to use, so I'm just going to stick with the classic look as long as I can. So straight away then we have the analytics, and it's by default always by the last 28 days. So I'm going to change it for the past 30 days. Actually no, we'll change it for the month of June, because then you can see like a total month as opposed to kind of half of each month's. Okay then, so yeah, so for the month of June, so the 1st of June to the 30th of June 2019, a couple of things to point out: 230,000 watch minutes, 76,000 views, 3-minute average view duration, and estimated revenue, we're looking at £145.98. Obviously we can see things like likes. I didn't mean to click that. we can see things like likes. Oh no, it's gone back to that. Right, so June, I don't like it how it doesn't stay on what you last clicked. Okay then, so likes, we are looking at 536, dislikes, comment, we can spend all day looking at the different analytics, but today we're just here to look at this figure here. So obviously it is an estimated revenue, it is an estimated figure, but it's actually pretty damn accurate. It's only usually like £1 to £2 off either way, in my experience anyway. And let's have a look at the breakdown of that income. So you can see a large portion of that is actually just from one video alone, and that's the Emirates economy class video. Probably make a separate video on this video because it's like my most viewed video, and it'd be pretty cool to see how much in total it has earned. I'm pretty sure it's got like 170,000 views now. So yes, I'll probably make a separate video on that, but you can see from the various different videos where the income is coming from, from top to bottom.
But yeah, so let's have a look at how last month is comparing to this month. Obviously we are only about halfway through the month, so but this month, July, and it's usually like 2 to 3 days behind, but for the 1st to the 13th of July we're looking at £52, and that's from 32,000 views. But let's have a look at the breakdown. Okay, so let me just point out one thing as well. So last month for June, the CPM, so I'm not too sure what it stands for, but it's basically how much you earn per 1,000 views. So that's like nearly £2 per 1,000 views. But this month in July, it's dipped a little bit. It's like, I don't even want to try and work that out, but it's definitely quite a bit lower than it was in June. This is probably like 1.7, 1.6, 1.7, something like that. So that is a very interesting point to raise. You do have different months on YouTube where the CPM is considerably lower. Certain advertisers don't want to advertise, or they might have certain months, especially like December and January. That's usually where the big books are. That's usually where you get the, you know, higher CPMs, £4-5 per 1,000 views. And you know, that's obviously the time where they want to really, you know, push their products, because that's the time where people are going to be likely buying them the most. So you do have different months on YouTube. Last month in June was my highest ever month. It's gone up a lot, obviously, from the use of this video, this Emirates economy class video, which has only been up for like 2-3 months now. So I have this figure to thank a lot for that. But yeah, what else can I really talk about? I guess that's really it. We can look at my lifetime earnings, I guess. So for the lifetime of my channel, it has accrued just over 1.8 million views, 4.5 nearly 1,000 minutes watch time, and that's earned me around £1,743.44. Now obviously that's a lot worse CPM. I used to literally get about 50p per 1,000 views, so it's obviously improved a great deal since the beginning. You know, like I said, now it's nearly £2 per 1,000 views, so it has improved a whole lot. Alright then, so I hope this video has helped you guys. I hope it's kind of helped you understand what is achievable from you know, being a YouTuber, how much you can actually earn from your videos. Now I am going to go ahead and say this, it's not easy. It definitely does take a lot of time, and I would be stupid to like go ahead and quit my job or something, because, you know, like I said, £150, whatever, it's not a whole lot, and the hours that you have to put in to actually earn that amount, it's just like ridiculous. It's a very, very bad return on investment, and yeah, it's just not really the best use of your time. I don't obviously make these videos to earn money. It's just a nice little thing on the side. I make these videos because I enjoy making them, and hopefully this thing can turn into something a little bit bigger. Whether it does or it doesn't, I don't really care. I enjoy doing this, and I hope this video has kind of helped you with regards how much you can earn on YouTube. Alright then.
Alright then guys, so like I said, I hope this video has helped you out. I hope you've learned a thing or two. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, so please give this video a like if you have enjoyed it, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!